Welcome to Simultaneous Tutors. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve simultaneous equations using the elimination method. So the first thing we need to do is to try and make the coefficient of x the same. In this example it's different and there's nothing that we can multiply 3 to make 2 or vice versa in order to make them the same. So in this instance we would have to multiply it by each other. So in other words we would multiply everything here by 2 and everything here by 3, and what that gives us is if we multiply it, it gives us 6 on both equations. And what I need to also add is a minus here, and the reason why is because we are trying to ultimately eliminate one of the numbers and letters from the equation in order to allow us to only have one unknown. So I'm just going to go ahead and multiply that out and you'll see what I mean by that. So 2 multiplied by 3x gives us 6x. 2 multiplied by minus 2y gives us minus 4y. 2 multiplied by 9 gives us 18. And then we do the exact same thing here. We multiply everything here by minus 3. Okay, so we have minus 3 times by 2x equals minus 6x. Minus 3 multiplied by 3y gives us minus 9y. Minus 3 multiplied by 19 gives us minus 57. And so, as I was mentioning earlier on, we wanted to eliminate this, and now we can, because here we have 6x minus 6x, and that gives us 0. So we can just completely discount that now. And so now we only have one unknown letter, so we only have the y unknown. So we can just go ahead and solve it like normal. So we have minus 4y minus 9y, that gives us a minus 13y since it gets more negative. So you're at minus 4, imagine this is minus 4, and you'll take away 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that would give us minus 13. So minus 13y is equal to, now 18 minus 57, that gives us minus 39. And now here we need to find a number to multiply minus 13 to give us minus 39. In other words, minus 39 over minus 13, and that gives us 3. So now we found out what y is. Once we found out what y is, we can now put that into either of these equations to find out what x is. So I'm just going to choose the first one here. So we have 3x minus 2y, so now we know what y is, which is 3. Just go ahead and put that in there, equals to 9. And then we have 3x minus 2 times 3 is 6 equals to 9. So now we can just solve this quite easily. We have 3x equals to 9 plus 6, since we're moving this over to this side, change the sign. So now we have 3x is equal to 9 plus 6 is 15. And so finally, 3 times something gives us 15. The answer is 5. So now we found out what y is, which is 3, and we found out what x is, which is 5. And that's how you solve simultaneous equations using the elimination method.